It looks like it. Those power outages are very possible. That's the latest word from Cal ISO. You might have got the alert on your cell phone just a few moments ago as we moved into that stage 3 emergency alert. What does it mean? It's the last level before those rolling blackouts begin. As the heat dome hovers over Southern California for the second week,
I'm only running my dishwasher once a week.
many people say they're doing what they can
I have my AC at 80.
to save power.
And I'm only doing my laundry once a week.
But even all that might not be enough. Governor Newsom today said the state energy supply is dangerously low.
These triple-digit temperatures throughout much of our state are leading, not surprisingly, to record demand on the energy grid.
For the first time this summer, Cal ISO, the state energy supplier, issued an Energy Emergency Alert 2. 3 is the highest level before rolling power outages occur.
Everyone has to do their part to help step up for just a few more days. Individuals, the state, industries, business, all doing their part to help reduce strain on the grid.
Hundreds of cooling centers are open in almost every area of Southern California as people try to avoid the dangerous heat.
My face is melting. That's what it feels like every time the wind blows. I'm sweating now, and I don't sweat.
And as the hottest, longest ever September heat wave drags on and millions of homes and businesses crank the AC, energy suppliers warn it is now likely California will begin to experience rolling blackouts. And at 4 o'clock today, the governor ordered all state buildings to start powering down on air conditioning and their lights to conserve energy. By the way, if those rolling blackouts do begin, and we anticipate it will happen tonight, if it happens, they will last between 1 and 2 hours. We're live in Glendale. I'm Sandra Mitchell, KTLA 5 News. Sharon Micah, back to you.